the highlight reel. They want the flashy 3D skills, the tomahawks into the top corner, the aerials that clear half the turf. They want the moments that make the crowd jump out of their seats, and then the next day you see it on TikTok and Instagram. And like, don't get me wrong. That is, I like seeing that stuff as well. I like seeing the different skill levels, the different abilities. But very few people, and I mean like a very few, actually want to do the so-called boring work of mastering the fundamentals.